or die.
Up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah.